Hello, grade 7. Welcome back to KIS Online. It's me again, Sir Joey, and I will be your teacher for this week. Are you ready for our new lesson? Don't forget, pens with you, notebooks with you, all set. But before we go to our lesson for this week, let's review first our previous lessons. Can you still remember? Alright, last week we have learned about present simple, affirmative, and negative. Present simple, affirmative, and negative. In writing affirmative sentences, we've got two rules. In pronouns, I, we, you, they, we use the verb on the base form. For pronouns I, we, you, they, and plural subjects, we use the verb in the base form, meaning no changes with the verb. But with pronouns he, she, it, and singular subjects, we change the verb. Again, there are three rules how to change the verb. What are those? Simply, number one, we add S. And then we add ES. And we change Y to I and add ES. For singular subject pronouns, he, she, it, we change the verb. We put S, ES, and I, ES. Alright, now are you ready for this lesson? Today we will learn about present simple but in question form, and also the short answer. I'll explain to you the simplest so you can remember. Okay, we've learned already the present simple, affirmative, and negative. Now, present simple question. We will write question. I have here examples on the board. This is the question form, the answer in affirmative, and the answer in negative. Let's learn this one by one. Ready? First sentence, do you speak French? Is this plural subject? Yeah. We use the word you. Do you speak French? What about the verb? We use still the base form of the verb. Do you speak French? We only differs with the subject pronoun. Now look at the word you. Do you speak French? Do I? Do we? Do they? It applies. Meaning, for plural pronouns, use the verb do to begin a sentence. Got it? Now, do you speak French? We've got two answers. First answer, yes and no. But we need to complete the short form answer. Yes. Do you change to, because you will be the one answering, yes, I do. No, I don't. What about, do I speak French? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Do we speak French? Yes, we do. No, we don't. Just change the pronoun according to your usage. If we use they, of course the answer is yes, they do. No, they don't. Again, in question form, rule number one, plural subject, we use do. Affirmative, do. Negative, don't. That's our rule number one. Plural subjects. Always use do, begin with the word do, and answer with the word do. For negative, don't. Okay, let's move on. Does he speak French? Look at the word does. We use at the beginning the word does. Why do you think? It's because of the singular pronoun he or she or it. Got it? Does he speak French? Use the same. He and does. Affirmative, yes, he does. For negative, no, he doesn't. Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. What about she? Does she speak French? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. What about it? Does it speak French? As our example, yes, it does. No, it doesn't. Okay? So, rule number 2, for singular pronouns, we use does to begin a question. To begin a question. And in answering affirmative, we use does. In answering negative, we use doesn't. Alright? Now, I will add with what. What languages do you speak? Okay? When? Where? Why? Okay, let's try. What languages do you speak? Of course, our answer is a complete sentence. I speak French and English. We use do because of the pronoun you, meaning it's plural. Okay? Plural subject. When do we, when we use when do we start our meeting? We will start at 3 o'clock. Where? Where does she? If we use singular, where does she lives? We use singular. So the same rule applies. But with questions, we use WH questions. It cannot be answerable by a short form affirmative, short form negative, but it needs a complete answer. But the same rule applies. If we use the pronouns I, we, you, they, or plural pronoun subject, we use do. For the singular, he, she, it, and singular pronoun, other singular subject, we use does. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you are not confused, and if you want to listen again, you can start the video again and try to memorize our 3 rules. Present simple, question forms with short answers. Present simple, question forms with WH question. That's all for today. I hope you've learned, and be ready for your exercise on our next video. See you, and God bless everyone. Thank you for watching.